always think of you when spring comes. Like it's something in the air at that time. Don't know why. Always dream of you when spring comes.
So we are here at the Cenotes. There's a Mayan shaman here, and we're about to swim in some crystal clear, pure water. You can even drink it.
So long the weekends, stay longer till Wednesday. Fell in love with you right there and then. I was young, couldn't see that.
Oh, here it is.
Oh man, get down in there. Just jump.
Yep.
Hello, Juan. Hola.
Whoa, epic. Cenotes. I can't wait to swim in here. It's gonna be so nice. The water looks beautiful. Time to wash the chemicals off my body so I can go into the fresh cenote water. I don't want it to be cold. Okay. Whew. All right. Well, that was a wake up. I feel awake and ready to get in this water. My life Wow, it's so beautiful. Got my life vest. I'm ready to go in the water. I wish I could like swing on those. I don't know what they are, but they look like swings. How gorgeous is this? Amazing, right?
Why is it hard on my own? Why am I not like her? Be more so much better.
That was epic! So this is the Cenote well. They used the cenote water, the Mayan people, for a really long time for drinking, bathing, just everything. That is why you can't wear any bug spray, any sunscreen, because they want to keep this water clean and pure so they can drink it. And they've been using it for a really long time, and it's spiritual and cleansing and also really cold. If you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments below. Make sure to like, share this video, comment whatever you want, and subscribe to my channel. You totally rock!